guys, so as y'all can see by today's title of the video, I'm going to be doing my hair in this video. Actually, I did record this look, so also stay tuned for that makeup tutorial. I know my skin looks so good. You guys will see my current favorite foundation at the moment. In that video, you guys are gonna see everything and like my new, I guess, like base routine. So yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to see. But today we are going to be doing a hair video. Honestly, I'm so tired of my hair. Not even gonna lie. I want to cut, I want to do it short, but before that I want to like do a bunch of hair videos, so you know I can have a lot of them here on my YouTube channel and also on like on my social medias before I cut it and I say goodbye to my hair, because I do want to do like a major change that I have never done. So, and I know I said that I'm never gonna dye my hair, but that changed. 2022 changed completely for me in that mindset. So I'm gonna do something different to my hair. Comment down below what you guys want me to do, or like what you guys think my idea is for my hair. Comment down below. But in today's video we are going to be using the Glam Seamless hair extensions right here. I talked about it with you guys, like I mentioned Glam Seamless here on my Instagram, and I freaking love their extensions. I did tell you guys that I've been losing a lot of hair lately. I did mention that I was losing my hair and I wanted to go more I wanted more volume to my hair, so I'm so happy Glam Seamless reached out and sent over hair extensions. They're pretty quite, you know, tangled, but it's okay. I'm gonna brush them out right now. But these are it right here. First of all, I cannot believe how similar in color. Like, look at this. It doesn't even look like, it looks like my hair, you know, my hair color. But I'm so shocked, surprised. I love the color. And these are the 22-inch, I believe. If not, I'll have everything down below, like all the links and stuff, but then the inches and everything. So yeah, I'm so freaking excited. So excited to show you guys how I style it, and they feel so nice, you guys, like super nice. It's kind of crazy. But I think in today's like hairstyle, I think I'm going to do like slick hair, because honestly that's like my signature look. I am going to be using the Invisi-Clips. These are the Remy hair extensions. Again, I'll have it down below, link down below for you guys. But let's get started. I have a mess up here, so let me just, okay. So I haven't done anything to my hair. I haven't even, I only brushed it, but I didn't even like style it yet or anything like that. So let's start by clipping them in. So I have very like thin hair on my root here. I wish I had more hair up here, but thank God for hair extensions because like I said, like I really do need a little bit of volume there, not gonna lie. But I'm gonna be clipping like 2 clips on the side, and then in the back. Thank God I don't need a lot, so I might just do 1. So here it is. Look how beautiful, sleek, luscious hair we have here. Okay, we are gonna create a straight line. Straight line. There you go. And then let's start to clip them on. So I grab a big chunk like this. I'm sorry if my hair's not all on the screen, but I have real long hair, so it's not gonna fit completely. And what I like to do is kind of like massage the clip so it's very secure, if that makes sense. And I like how invisible the clips are. As you guys can see, you can't even see them. Like, what? There you go. They blend so well with the hair. Let's do this side now. So like I said, a big portion. Look, I'm losing hair right there. You can tell right away. Like, ooh. So let's brush them out. So how are you guys? I feel like I haven't been on YouTube for quite some time due to some personal reasons. Not gonna lie, it's been a ride these couple of weeks, it's just been so, I feel like my life has changed, if that even makes sense. I'm like so like freaking proud of myself. I'm also like going to the gym I'm trying, well, it's like I am going to the gym. Like right now after this, I'm going to the gym. Can't miss that. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself, and it's not even like I never really planned this. I never really planned to, you know, go consistently. It was always like, I'm just gonna, like, whenever I felt like it, you know. But no, I'm like forcing myself to go, you guys. And it has been so good for my mental health, most importantly for that, I feel like. And it's been so great. Oh, these hair extensions are, they're bomb. Wow. And the only reason why I have this bump is because I need to straighten it up, but I have the styling tool, the Glam Seamless tool, and that's gonna like make it look better, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna now do this back of my hair. But I think I want to do like a story time, like a get ready story time with you guys, because it's been a ride. I'm not gonna lie, it's been interesting in my life. Alright, so I have all of the extensions in already. As you guys can see, it's looking so much thicker, and it feels really thick. It's looking so much thicker and full. So now I'm going to style it with my Glam Seamless hairstyling right here, hairstyling tool. And what I'm going to do is just I know I look so freaking voluminous. I love how it looks, and it just blends so well with my hair. It looks like my real hair. I'll have the color and the inches down below in a link for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. But this is how I styled it, very straight and sleek. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the back also, because of course that's very important when you have extensions. You want everything to blend, but as you guys can see, everything just blends very beautifully. It's so luscious. So yeah, you guys, I'll have everything down below. I also want to give a big thank you to Glam Seamless for sponsoring today's video, and of course you guys, because without you guys I would not have any of these opportunities. But let me show you guys how gorgeous it looks. They look so nice. So like I said, I'll have the shade and also the inches, all that you need to know down below on the link, so you guys can go ahead and get your own Glam Seamless extensions. I'm telling you guys, you guys will not regret getting these extensions, because they seriously feel so silky and just so real. They're Remy hair. They're 100% Remy hair extensions, so you guys are gonna be shook when you guys receive yours. I swear that these are honestly one of the best that I've ever owned. So I'm very happy that Glam Seamless decided to, you know, work with me in this video. So I'm just so happy. And but yeah, guys, I think that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to like the video. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Press the bell notification button so you can get notified every time I upload new videos and new content. Also, I heard or I saw you can rate the video, so yeah, don't forget to rate me or rate the video. But it's so crazy how YouTube is doing all these changes, and it's just like hard to keep up. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on my next video. Bye.